sneezing fans, it's Ali here. So I am in my pajamas, ready to go to sleep, and I thought that I would just quickly record another quick sneezing session because you guys enjoyed my last video so much. I've got my hair up this time, so hopefully it's not gonna fly in my face all the time, and I'm going to be using pepper again because pepper just works the best for me, and I'm hoping to really clean out my sinuses and sneeze a lot, and then I'll be able to have a really comfy night's sleep because all the sneezes are gone. So let's get it started. I'm just going to use my normal white pepper. Oh, that's a lot. Let's see. I spilled like a whole teaspoon on my hand, so it's already in the air. It's already starting to tickle, but let's see what we can do. I love the smell. I really love the smell. I'm trying to get a hold of some of that powder. I don't know what it's called, chinky powder. But I'm in South Africa and I can't actually see any anyway. So I've emailed a couple of spice shops, and you know, sort of more traditional Indian spices, and hopefully they've got some there, and I can't wait to give that a go. So if you are in South Africa and you know where I can get some of that powder, then please let me know. Bless me. I need someone to hold my hair back when I sneeze. If you do enjoy my sneezes, please feel free to check out my website, mistressali.com, and you can get hold of me through there if there's anything in particular that you'd like to see. I enjoy doing customs. I enjoy doing video calls as well. I'm hoping to do some YouTube lives. So let's see what we can do. Oh, it's tickling. It's tickling like right over here. You know, just like that part of the nose. I threw away all my pepper. Just don't pause this video, you'll get some very strange faces. I'm using tissues today, not toilet paper. So hopefully it's a bit softer on my nose. Excuse me. No, don't come here, baby. It's gonna make you sneeze. She's wondering what I'm doing. That's cameo. Oh, it's just right there. I can feel it, but it's just not coming out yet. Oh. Excuse me. Annie. This is really good. It's just clearing everything out. It feels really, really good. My nose ring's turning around. Feels weird. I wonder if that contributes to me sneezing, like if little pepper particles get stuck on the nose ring. Should try a few more. I think let's do another 1 or 2 sniffs, and then I'm going to go get ready for bed. I'm going to rinse my nose out because I like doing that after a sneezing session. I have like a nasal douche where I put saline in it and I squeeze it up this nostril and it comes out of that nostril, so it clears out the pepper and whatever's left inside my sinuses. So I really enjoy doing that. I love that tickle, like just as it starts and you can just feel it's like creeping up your nose, and you know that it's gonna come, but you don't know when. And then it always sort of takes you by surprise, and just in the middle of a sentence it just comes. Oh, it's right there. Oh, oof, that was a big one. Excuse me. Last sniff. There's all little bits of pepper on my tissue. I don't know if you can see it. It all comes out. One more blow. You can see how red my eyes have gone from all the sneezing. Well, I hope you enjoyed my sneezing session as much as I did, and I will chat to you guys soon. Bye-bye.